Hello, I'm Richard from Deboroo. This is going to be an introductory video where I'm going to tell you a little bit more about myself, my background, what I do at Deboroo, and also how I met Colin Dyche. So take it easy on me, guys. This is my first YouTube video, my first ever video on YouTube in general. So yeah, just take it easy on me. This should be fun, and let's go. So I lead the COD, cash on delivery team at Deboroo when it comes to media buying. So I'm an affiliate marketer of 2 years. I also manage the business strategy and operations for all of the Deboroo assets. So this includes the AFK forum, various coaching products, and various other different aspects of the business. There is a lot of business going on that we've got at Deboroo, and yeah, that's my particular role in that regard. Alongside that, I'm also a coach for the various different masterminds that we have at Deboroo. So yeah, like if you're a premium student, then you're gonna get to know me a lot more too. Yeah, so I'm from London, UK, as you probably can tell by this lovely accent, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past, I'd say, 2 years, and I've been involved in marketing and sales for the past 10 years. I'm currently 26. Almost forgot my age for a second. Bruh. So I'm currently 26, and 10 years ago when I was 16, I had my first job, which is working as a street sales person for a particular charity, where I had to essentially get sign-ups just by kind of approaching people on the street. And even though that was a very strenuous job, it kind of taught me a lot about how to hustle, how to kind of face rejection. I was getting rejected every single day. And also how to kind of convince people and how to persuade people, which is one of the most beneficial skills that I learned there. And that kind of like led to like my entire career in marketing and sales, and I've always been around avenues that lead to money making, right? I've never been a fan of the sort of the 9 to 5, that sort of lifestyle. I've always known that there's something beyond just the traditional ways of working. And one thing that I did learn, and I'll tell you one thing that I implemented when I was 16 working at the street sales job, was that there are different ways in which you can kind of hit people with emotion and then get them to essentially purchase. And that's essentially what we do as affiliate marketers when we're creating angles. We are essentially, hitting some form of emotion and getting people to take an action, right? So listen to this. When I was working as a street salesperson, I was A/B testing sort of different pitches. Like every couple of hours, I'd switch it up for the new kind of batch of people. And one of the sales methods that I implemented in the scripts that I had was, I kind of like go up to somebody and be like, "Excuse me, can I just ask you one question? As soon as you've answered this one question, you can go ahead with the rest of your day." And then they'll be like, okay, confused, but they'll be like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" And then I'll just simply say to them, "Okay, so excuse me, so if this entire street was made up of glass and you can see through every single home, and you saw one child being abused, and you could just simply buy them a Big Mac meal from McDonald's just to save their life. So one Big Mac meal every single month, and you'd save their life. Would you do it?" And 90% of the time, they say yes. Obviously you get the odd occasion where they kind of are like, "No, I don't want to say yes because you're a salesperson and I don't want to say yes to anything you say." But most of the time, they would say yes, and then that will kind of lead on to the kind of the sales action, which would be something around, if you just pay £6 a month, you will be able to help thousands of children across the UK to get steered away from abuse and get their lives saved, which is equivalent to the same price as a Big Mac meal. Would you be able to sign up today? And you kind of got them roped in. So as you can see, like, we kind of like figured out a method where we grab them in by emotion. Essentially, we build a hook, and then you can kind of convert the sale. And essentially, with affiliate marketing, when you have your landing pages, you're kind of creating a hook, and then you're getting the sale from that point. And that kind of taught me a lot around marketing and sales, and that kind of led to my pathway within, you know, to becoming an experienced affiliate marketer that I am today. So I met Colin Dyche a couple of months ago in Amsterdam at the Affiliate Summit World, or no, Affiliate Summit Europe, that was it. Where, you know, I met him at the conference, we kind of had a chat. We actually went for a meal together. He was with another quite experienced super affiliate, and we kind of just, you know, got along really well. We bantered a lot. We kind of got a similar sense of humor, which is cool. We went to some awesome place where you got some nice chicken. I'm not gonna lie, I fit the stereotype. I do love some chicken. And it was just awesome. We kind of got along quite well, and then we kind of kept in touch. And from that point, Colin told me a lot about his business plans and his ideas. And even though I am an affiliate marketer, I'm also like very much in other business avenues, and I just wanted to get involved because there was a lot of things that he was saying that resonated with me, and I could tell that Colin is a hustler. Why did I say hustler like that? I said hustler. Is a hustler, and he really works hard, and I kind of have I do have a similar work ethic, so that resonated well. And now we're kind of, you know, working together, which is awesome. And yeah, like in terms of the channel, primarily themed around the type of affiliate marketing that I do, which is cash on delivery. Hopefully this gives you a new view into another affiliate marketing vertical where you can make between 5, 6 and even 7 figures every single month off this one vertical, and you can run that traffic through Facebook as well. So yeah, so look out for the videos on the channel. I'm very excited to begin this journey, begin launching all these videos and kind of giving you guys all this great content. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.